reservoir of water, and the water's not going to move up a plastic pot, so you put old t-shirts or tracksuit pants or whatever in between the pots. Preferably something that's not going to break down too quickly, and then you put a piece of old carpet that you found somewhere on the side of the road on top, just above the hole, so it finishes above the hole. Then you put wet soil on here, nice wet soil, and you put a bit of vacuum cleaner hose that you found on the verge, and a sock. We've all got these under the bed that have got no partners. That's to stop the mosquitoes going down the hole. So now we've filled that up with wet soil, we put the water in here, fill it up, and that will fill up until it gets to the hole here. And then this will make all the t-shirts wet. The t-shirts are then touching the water and the carpet wets the soil and the moisture moves up. So we spend lots of time in the summer water, but the roots are actually down here. And we really want the roots to, I find the roots get stronger because they're seeking the water down the bottom. But you must keep the soil damp. So you start off with damp soil. And you still need shade in the hot summer because it's just too hot. But you get veggies all through the summer, whereas before it used to be too hot.
And you can go away for a week or so.
Yeah. I mean, I water mine every week. Sometimes in the height of summer I probably should water them twice a week.
And it ends up looking like this?
Well, it ends up looking, well, that's a very new one. It'll end up looking bigger than that.
Yes.
And if these are very ugly, you just,
so you
make a little box
make
and
a nice box for it.
Just out of
and
some old pallets.
There's this pipe that comes out. This is your overflow.
That's the overflow.
Yeah.
And you put that into a little piece of, a little bowl there.
Yeah.
You can catch the water so the water's
or another
not
plant
everywhere.
or
And
yeah.
then you can tip it on there or whatever you want to do.
Well, thanks very much.
That's all right.
So that's awesome.